In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on a task in Goodday. Adding comments is a simple but powerful way to keep your team aligned, share updates, and track decisions directly inside each task. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process from the moment you open your task, all the way to posting your comment so your teammates can see it. First, start by opening Goodday and navigating to the project or board where your task is located. Once you're there, look for the specific task you want to comment on. This could be in a list, a board view, or any other view you're using. When you've found the right task, click on it to open the task details. This will usually open a panel or a new page showing all the information about that task, such as its title, description, assignee, due date, and activity history. With the task details now visible, you'll want to locate the comment section. Look for a button or tab labeled Comment, or something similar. It's often found near the bottom of the task details or alongside other options like attachments, activity, or history. Go ahead and click on Comment. This will open a text box or input field where you can type your message. Now it's time to type your comment. Click inside the text field and start writing what you want to share. This might be a status update, a question, clarification, or additional instructions. Try to be clear and specific so your teammates understand exactly what you mean. If Goodday in your workspace supports formatting, you can use it to make your comment easier to read, for example by breaking it into short paragraphs. You may also be able to mention teammates by typing the @ symbol, followed by their name, if that feature is enabled. Before you post, quickly review what you've written to check for accuracy and completeness. Once you're happy with your message, look for the button to submit your comment. This is usually labeled Submit, Send, or Post. Click on Submit to publish your comment to the task. After you submit, your comment should immediately appear in the task's comment or activity section, visible to anyone who has access to that task. That's all you need to do to